Okay, so my advice would be to get a solid plan of action and avoid everything else.
Right.
And that sounds very simple. Sounds very simple, and it's almost so simple that we don't even. It's like that advice that is so simple that you never take because it's just so simple and good, and but it does you just don't take it.
And
So
nobody does this.
exactly, the point is that most people are very scatterbrained in the way they're doing things online. They're jumping around. They're on 10 million email lists. They're getting 500 emails a day. I mean, not everyone's getting that amount of emails, but the majority of the people I talk to are in the same boat. They are getting tons of emails. They're spending all their time reading emails, going and clicking to sales pages, and seeing people trying to sell them magic bullets, just turn on this magic software and you will make a whole bunch of money. Well, you have to. I feel it's very important to understand that that is a dream and it's not real, even though it is. What I mean is, yes, those people probably did make $10,000 overnight, but it took them 6 months or a year or 2 years or 5 years to build up the reputation or the mailing list or the know how to be able to do that. So even though many people try to sell you the dream, it really doesn't work like that. You you will not make $10,000 overnight. You can get to a point where you can do that. So what am I basically saying? Stop believing the hype because there's so much hype in the internet marketing niche that if you believe it, not only will you feel stress and strain and resistance and worry because you're not achieving that, you're also trying to do something that is you're planning to fail. So what I'm saying is to avoid all that stuff. Very specifically, uh, I'm saying to develop a solid plan of action and avoid avoid the hype, avoid the nonsense, avoid the mailing lists. Okay? So the first thing that I would do is I would unsubscribe from every mailing list that does not provide value. If
Yes.
you're on my list, if you're on whoever's list you love, if they're not providing you value, it doesn't matter. If they send you a message and you don't like it, unsubscribe because this is a big time, energy, and money drain. Because every time you see that email, you're wasting your time. Let's say you buy the program, the program may or may not work out for you, and you're spending a lot of energy. That's the big drain. Most people spend a lot of energy and time reading these emails. So the first thing to do in your solid plan of action for success, and I hope everyone that's listening to this call really um, is on the same page with me here. Unsubscribe from every list. Now, if you're listening to this call, maybe you're not on 10,000 lists. I know that the majority of the people that I talk to are. So if you're not that person, I apologize. But what I can say is you can avoid making that mistake before it happens. So if you go to some sort of email sign up page, you want to get the free gift, go ahead, opt in, get the free gift. And if you don't like their list, unsubscribe. Give people a very short leash. Unsubscribe very, very, very quickly because you don't you reading emails does not make you money. You want to do things that make you money, obviously, but we get caught because copywriting is so influential because these emails, they know what we want. They are created in a way that hits our buttons and hits our triggers. So we're naturally drawn into them and drawn into these sales pages. So it's a big energy waste. So the best thing to do is avoid it. Just don't even tempt yourself, don't even get involved in it. So that's the number one big thing. Now, that is a very simple thing, and it sounds very logical probably when I say it like this, but many people don't do it. And I guarantee that if you do it, if you stay on maybe one or two people's list, 5 or 10 at the most, and you actually I won't go as far as to say take the advice that they give because there is a uh, big lack of integrity in the internet marketing niche. But I will say that you want to avoid as many people's advice as possible because of all the reasons that I've just described. So number one, unsubscribe from every list. Okay. Then the next step is really to develop a plan. a real plan, and then just execute it. Now, every course you buy gives you a plan. It says do this plus this, and you'll get this result. And that's fine, but the problem with that is that, first of all, you have to take faith in this person that it will actually work, which is always a hard thing. Whenever I buy a course, I'm like, well, do I trust this person enough to actually do this? And then even if you do trust that person and take action, there's maybe a little minor detail that you missed that throws off the whole plan. So it's really hard to get a solid plan of action. Most courses, all I can say about them is all you can do is give it a go. When you buy one course, commit to that course for 30 days and do it with all of yourself. Do it, you can't work on this course, then work on that course, then work on this course. You really have to commit to one thing. So anything that you do, if you buy a course, commit to doing that for at least 30 days. And after that 30 days, you can really reanalyze where you're at and see if it's something that's working. Does that sound something that you think many people are in? They're in the trap of buying too many courses and they find themselves in a state of information overload and they just are stuck not doing it.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and to get all 10 training sessions absolutely free, just click on that link below. And remember that we are not going to make this available forever, because we actually sell this for $30 every day, and now you can get it for free, but this is a very time limited offer. So make sure that you click on the link below and download all 10 training sessions.